front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then hit Emergency Contacts, select Add Contact and click on one of your contacts apps. Then hit Just Once and add a contact. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you're ready to change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Drag the chosen one to establish a perfect order and hit Save at the top right corner. If you want to remove one of them, tap on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!